I am recording and I am working. And so let's say I wanted to, and I would already have this up, so I need to get this up. Show the kids that sometimes we use, instead of having worksheets now, that we're going to do things like this, and that they need to come, the directions on the first, they need to complete the problems on your own paper, make sure you number the problems and keep your work in case of mistakes, place your final answers in the yellow text box. So then they're going to go to this one, and I want to tell them on their piece of paper they would need to, number 1, and I can use my tell them, number 1, mark that number 1, and then they would write this paper down, solve it. Then they will, once they have their final, once they have their final answer, they'll double click in the yellow and write their number. And that's not the right answer, I just made up something. That's what I always tell them when we're in the classroom. And so then when I'm done, I will go down